Hey, Hope, welcome to class today on this Monday, April 4th. Hope you're doing well and hope you had a nice weekend. Here's the schedule for this week, so take a look at this real quick. Today we're going to go over your test and then we're going to take notes and work on homework. Tuesday we're going to take notes and work on homework. Wednesday will be a quiz and we'll take notes. Thursday, go over your quiz from Wednesday and have homework. And then Friday, notes and homework. So there's a little quick glance at the week. Nothing to turn in, so nothing there. Incomplete, you have none. Today we're going to go over your test from Friday. Then we're going to start chapter 2 and work and take notes and work on your homework. The video today, Hope, is about patterns and also terms and symbols in geometry, inductive reasoning, and making conjectures. I think you'll find this pretty interesting today. There's the teaching video, finding a pattern, about 35 minutes long. The homework that's due tomorrow is right there, and it's about 22 minutes. You'll probably have about, I don't know, maybe about 15 minutes of homework, maybe 20 minutes, okay? There's your homework for today, page 60, those numbers right there. Okay, at this time, let's go over your test. Actually, let me continue on and then go over your test at the end, okay? So, that's all for today. Let's go over your test, and then you can start with your notes and homework, okay? Let me scroll up here real quick. And just grab this and drag it. And let's go over your test. So if you don't have your test out, go ahead and get that out, please, Hope. And let's go over your test. Okay, now Hope, here's what you missed. If you'll get your test out and look, these are the only problems that you missed, okay? Which I was surprised because you do pretty well, if not very well, in Algebra 1. So I'm going to quickly go over these. In order to find the slope of a line, we use y minus y over x minus x. Now, Hope, it does not matter which y you put first. Here's an x, here's a y, here's an x, here's a y. It doesn't matter if you put this y first, as long as you put this x first. Now, if you want to put this y first, that's fine, as long as you put this x first, okay? Doesn't matter. So I'm just going to go in order. Y minus y, 6 minus 5. Here's your y, here's your y. Then the bottom we have x minus x, so 3 minus negative 1. 3 minus negative 1. 3 minus negative 1. Now, 6 minus 5, or 6 negative 5 is 1. 3 minus a negative 1 is 3 plus 1. Two negatives make a positive, which would give you 4. So the slope should be 1/4. Okay, let's try the next one here. Alright, here we go. Y minus y. Here's your x. Here's your y. Here's your x. Here's your y. Negative 10 minus a negative 9. Negative 10 minus a negative 9. Negative 10 minus a negative 9. Then we have x minus x. 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4. So up top we would have negative 10 minus a negative 9 is negative 10 plus 9, which is negative 1. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive 1/4. Okay? Okay, moving on to number 14. X, y, x, y. So y minus y. Negative 1 minus 7. Negative 1 minus 7. X minus x. Negative 2 minus a negative 4. Negative 2 minus a negative 4. Negative 2 minus a negative 4. Well, negative 1 and negative 7 is negative 8. Negative 2 minus a negative 4 is negative 2 plus 4, or positive 4, which gives you a positive 2. A negative over a positive is negative, and 8 over 2 reduces to 4 over 1, or just negative 4. And then lastly, for number 15, here's my x, here's my y, here's my x, here's my y. Let's go backwards on this one. just to show you it doesn't matter which way you do these. So y minus y. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. Now let's go to your x's. Remember, you started here with your y. Excuse me. So you have to start here with your x's. So 7. 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. 7 minus 8 is negative 1. Negative over negative is positive. And 4 over 1 is 4. So there's the slope, 4. And there we go. Okay, so if you have any questions on your test, feel free to email me or call.